Hi friends, in today's class I'm just going to show you how to put basic chain stitch. So this is the first stitch in the 30 stitches. So let's get into the video. First stitch is going to be chain stitch. For this I have taken this RE needle. So as you can see, this RE needle is wrapped with the thread, so it will be easy for you to hold this needle. So this I purchased from Amazon, and you will get set of 4 needles, two these type of thread needles and 2 bead needles. So it is a pack of 200 and free shipping all over India from the brand embroiderymaterial.com. so I will leave the link in the description for these needles. If you want, you can go and check it out. So first stitch in RE embroidery is going to be basic chain stitch. So you can proceed these embroidery only if you put this chain stitch, because it's very basic. Only if you practice this, you can put other stitches. It is basic and it's really easy and simple if you follow a simple technique. So today I'm just going to show how to put this chain stitch. So as you can see here in this needle, you have a hook type of thing. I hope you can see it. You can see here a hook. So this hook must be pointing in the opposite direction, as you can see now. In this way you have to insert the needle for the first time. So now I have made a knot like this. Now in your index finger, just hold the thread in this way. This hook must face in the opposite direction like this. Insert the needle and take this hand, and then allow the needle with the needle, just pull that thread. Now while you take this thread, this hook must face towards you. As you can see, in this way you have to pull the thread, and you have to the knot portion you have to leave it, and the other portion you have to hold it. Now always start off the back stitch in the opposite direction. Insert the chain, insert and then pull, and then give a stitch like this. So this is how you put a back stitch. Now again insert the needle, rotate the thread at the bottom, and while you pull out, this hook must face your side in this way. Again insert, rotate, hold the thread in that hook, pull it, twist the needle towards you. The hook must face your side, and then take it out like this. So in this way you're going to put the chain stitch. So I will just show even a closer view. So insert, rotate the thread at the bottom, hold it in your hook, twist the hook and pull it. Again insert, insert, twist at the bottom, hold the thread, turn the hook like this and then pull it out. Now insert, give one rotation, hold the thread in the hook, and then turn the needle towards yourself and then pull it out. So this is how you put the basic RE chain stitch. So make sure you put the chain stitch in even length. If you want a small stitch, if you start off with small stitch, then make sure you maintain the same chain length throughout. This only on practice you will get the perfect stitch like this. So you have to practice as much as possible. only if you are as much as possible using your zari thread. Initially start off with the zari thread, and once you know how to twist and turn this needle, or how to handle this needle, then the other stitches are going to be really very easy. So in this way you can just put the stitches. So this is it for today's video, and if you like it, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.